Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have a new video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can actually delete your Splitwise account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, what you're going to do, first of all, you're going to go ahead and access your Splitwise app itself for your accounts info. You can see we are in this friend section, you can see it over here, and this account section, will tap on it. That will be on your below right corner of your mobile screen. Once we have tapped in, we will be able to get access to our account information on above and all the settings regarding this. So if you swipe through, if you see in this section, you do not find a delete account option at all. You can find the logout, but you do not have the delete account option. For that, what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead, tap on your account over here, or your account name or your email address. Once we have done so, once the settings are done being loading, then you will be able to find all of kinds of changes you're allowed to do over here. And if you scroll down, you'll find this delete your account option in your account section. Go ahead, tap on it, and once you have done so, you're going to go ahead and enter your current password to delete your account over here. Once you're done adding in, or you can delete your account by clicking in a link in your email. You can tap on the send email or get the link, or tap in the password. Easy way, tap on this delete your account, and then you will be able to delete your account permanently from your Splitwise like that. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.